टंगस्टन नर्मदापुरम, यूरेनियम शहडोल, गोल्ड सिद्धि कटनी शहडोल, बेराइट धार सिंधी शिवपुरी देवास झाबुआ, बेराइल बालाघाट छिंदवाड़ा राजगढ़, फ्लोराइट जबलपुर, कोल शहडोल सिंगरौली छिंदवाड़ा नर्मदापुरम बैतूल, बॉक्साइट अनूपपुर मांडला जबलपुर रीवा सतना सिद्धि, कॉपर मलाजखंड सलीमनाबाद नर्मदापुरम सागर, आयरन ओर जबलपुर विदिशा मंडला बालाघाट, मैंगनीज बालाघाट छिंदवाड़ा झाबुआ खरगोन, डायमंड हिनोता पन्ना मंझगवन अंगौर, लाइमस्टोन जबलपुर मंदसौर सतना कटनी, डोलोमाइट बालाघाट नरसिंहपुर शिवानी छिंदवाड़ा जबलपुर, ग्रेफाइट बैतूल, पायराइट टीकमगढ़ देवास धार झाबुआ शिवपुरी सिद्धि रीवा, माइका बालाघाट छिंदवाड़ा नर्मदापुरम झाबुआ, स्लेट मंदसौर, एंटीमनी जबलपुर, लेड नर्मदापुरम दतिया शिवपुरी झाबुआ जबलपुर, टैग स्टियाटाइट सोपस्टोन बेदाघाट झाबुआ नरसिंहपुर, चाइना क्ले कठौली आंतरी नवगांव जबलपुर सालवा शहडोल, सिलिमनाइट रीवा सिद्धि, एस्बेस्टॉस झाबुआ, कोरंड्रम पिपरा परकोटा, एडाल्यूसाइट चांदनगर, मार्बल जबलपुर बैतूल सिवानी छिंदवाड़ा ग्वालियर, डायसपुर छतरपुर टीकमगढ़ शिवपुरी जबलपुर, फेल्ड्सपार छिंदवाड़ा जबलपुर शहडोल, फेरिक ऑक्साइड सतना पन्ना ग्वालियर जबलपुर, रॉक फॉस्फेट झाबुआ छतरपुर सागर, ग्रेनाइट पन्ना छतरपुर सागर दतिया, व्हाइट ग्रेनाइट जबलपुर, रेड ग्रेनाइट ग्वालियर, कलर्ड ग्रेनाइट बैतूल छिंदवाड़ा सिवानी, टिन बैतूल, जिप्सम रीवा शहडोल। एनर्जी रिसोर्सेज इन मध्य प्रदेश, थर्मल पावर स्टेशंस एट अ ग्लांस, विंध्याचल थर्मल पावर स्टेशन बैदान, संत सिंगाजी थर्मल पावर हाउस खंडवा, संजय गांधी थर्मल पावर स्टेशन उमरिया, सतपुरा थर्मल पावर हाउस पाथेरखेड़ा, बीना थर्मल पावर स्टेशन सागर, पेंच थर्मल पावर स्टेशन छिंदवाड़ा, अमरकंटक इन सोहागपुर कोल रीजन ऑफ शहडोल, गोदरवाड़ा थर्मल पावर प्लांट नरसिंहपुर, खरगोन थर्मल पावर प्लांट खरगोन, हाइडल पावर स्टेशन ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश, इंदिरा सागर पुनासा खंडवा, ओमकारेश्वर हाइडल पावर स्टेशन ओमकारेश्वर, महेश्वर हाइडल पावर स्टेशन महेश्वर खरगोन, बनसागर सोन रिवर इन रीवा शहडोल, राणा प्रताप सागर चित्तौड़गढ़ राजस्थान, पेंच हाइडल पावर स्टेशन महाराष्ट्र, गांधी सागर चंबल भानपुर तहसील ऑफ मंदसौर, जवाहर सागर कोटा कोटा, बारगी प्रोजेक्ट बीजौरा ग्राम जबलपुर, मदीखेदा हाइडल पावर प्रोजेक्ट नरवार, राजघाट ललितपुर, बिरसिंहपुर उमरिया, चंडेल प्रोजेक्ट खंडवा स्मॉल स्टेशंस, रिहांड मिर्जापुर टोन्स रू। Important national highways of Madhya Pradesh: National Highway 46, National Highway 44, National Highway 47, National Highway 45, National Highway 30, 34 and 39. State highways are State Highways 19, 26, 10, 22, 14. Narmada Expressway, Atal Expressway. And these come under Mukhyamantri Gram Sadak Yojana. Airways, important airports of Madhya Pradesh: Raja Bhoj International Airport Bhopal, Rajmata Vijay Raje Scindia Air Terminal Gwalior, Devi Ahilyabai Holkar International Airport Indore, Chhatrasal Aerodrome Khajuraho, Dumna Airport Jabalpur, Khandwa, Panna and Satna Chhindwara non-operational, Airstrip in National Park Bandhavgarh and Kanha Kisli, Air Force Strip Gwalior and Neemuch, ITBP Strip Shivpuri, BSF Strip Gwalior. Constitutional systems of Madhya Pradesh. Articles related to Legislative Assembly. Article 168 Legislature of State. Article 169 Abolition or creation of Legislative Council of State. Article 170 Composition of the Legislative Assembly. 171 Composition of Legislative Council. 172 Duration of State Legislatures. 173 Qualification for State Legislature. 178 Speaker and Deputy Speaker of Legislative Assembly. 186 Salaries and Allowances of Speaker and Deputy Speaker. 187 Secretariat of State Legislature. Important articles related to Speaker and Deputy Speaker are 178, 179, 179A and 179B. Madhya Pradesh Legislative Assembly Speakers Pandit Kunjilal Dubey, Kashi Prasad Pandey, Tejlal Thambre, Gulsher Ahmed, Mukund Nevalkar, Yagya Datta Sharma, Ram Kishore Shukla, Rajendra Prasad Shukla, Professor Brijmohan Mishra, Srinivas Tiwari, Ishwar Das Rohani, Sita Sharan Sharma, Narmada Prasad Prajapati, Girish Gautam. List of Deputy Speakers of Vidhan Sabha. ये नीचे Important articles continued. Article 179C, Speaker will be removed by a resolution passed by Assembly with a simple majority. Article 180, power of the Deputy Speaker to perform duties of Speaker. 181, Speaker or the Deputy Speaker not to preside where a resolution for his removal is under consideration. Article 186, salaries and allowances. Article 187, Secretariat of State Legislature. Important articles related to Governor. 153, 154 Executive Power, 155 Appointment, 156 1 Hold office during the pleasure of the President, 156 2 Resignation addressed to the President, 156 3 Term of 5 years, 157 Qualification, Citizen and age of 35 years, 159 Oath in the presence of Chief Justice, 161 Power to grant pardons, 200 Assent to the bills passed by State Legislature, 201 Bills reserved for consideration of the President, 213 Power of the Governor to promulgate ordinance, 233 Appointment of District Judges by the Governor. List of Governors in the last 5 years. The last 5 governors are Shri Om Prakash Kohli, Anandi Ben Patel, Lalji Tandon, Anandi Ben Patel again, and Mangubhai C. Patel till date. Acting Governors Shri Justice P.V. Dikshit, Shri Justice G.P. Singh, Shri Justice G.P. Singh, Shri Justice N.D. Ojha, Shri Krishna Menon Seth. Krishna Mohan Seth. President's rule in Madhya Pradesh. 5th and 6th Assembly Shri Satyanarayan Sinha. 6th and 7th Assembly Shri Chepuderia Muthana Punacha. 6th and 7th Assembly Shri Bhagwat Dayal Sharma. 9th and 10th Assembly Shri Kanwar Mahmood Ali Khan. 9th and 10th Assembly Shri Muhammad Shafi Qureshi. List of Chief Ministers of Madhya Pradesh. Shri Ravi Shankar Shukla, Shri Bhagwant Rao Mandloi, Dr. Kailash Nath Kadju, Dr. Kailash Nath Kadju, Shri Bhagwant Rao Mandloi, Shri Dwarka Prasad Mishra, Shri Dwarka Prasad Mishra, Shri Govind Narayan Singh, Shri Raj Naresh Chandra Singh, Shri Shyam Charan Shukla, Shri Prakash Chandra Sethi, Shri Prakash Chandra Sethi, Shri Shyam Charan Shukla again, then President's rule, then Shri Kailash Chandra Joshi, Shri Virendra Kumar Saklecha, Shri Sundarlal Patwa, again President's rule, Shri Arjun Singh, Shri Arjun Singh, Shri Motilal Vora, Shri Arjun Singh, Shri Motilal Vora, Shri Shyam Charan Shukla, Shri Sundarlal Patwa, then President's rule, Shri Digvijay Singh, Shri Digvijay Singh, Shri Uma Bharti, Shri Uma Babulal Gaur, Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Kamal Nath, and again Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Cabinet Ministers of Madhya Pradesh. Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Public Relations, General Administration, Narmada Valley Development, Aviation. Narottam Mishra, Home, Jail, Law, Legislative Affairs, Parliamentary Affairs. Gopal Bhargava, Public Works Department, Cottage and Village Industries. Shri Tulsi Silawat, Water Resources, Fishermen Welfare and Fishermen Development. Kumar Vijay Singh, Forests. Shri Jagdish Deora, Finance, Commercial Taxes, Planning, Economics. Bisaulal Singh, Food, Civic Supplies and Consumer Protection. Yashodhara Raje Scindia, Sports and Youth Welfare, Technical Education, Skill Development and Employment Department. Bhupendra Singh, Urban Development and Housing. Meena Singh, Tribal Affairs Development, Scheduled Caste Welfare. Kamal Patel, Farmer Welfare and Agricultural Development. Govind Singh Rajput, Revenue Transportation. Brijendra Pratap Singh, Mineral Resources and Labour. Vishwas Sarang, Bhopal Gas Tragedy Relief and Rehabilitation Development, Medical Education. Prabhuram Chaudhary, Public Health and Welfare, Family Welfare. Mahendra Singh Sisodia, Panchayat and Rural Development. Pradyuman Singh Tomar, Energy. Prem Singh Patel, Social Justice and Disabled Welfare Department. Om Prakash Taklecha, Science and Technology, Micro. Usha Thakur, Culture, Tourism, Religious Trusts and Endowments. Arvind Bhadoria, Cooperation, Public Service Management. Mohan Yadav, Higher Education. Hardeep Singh Dung, New and Renewable Energy Environment. Rajavardhan Singh, Industrial Policy and Investment Promotion. Bharat Singh Kushwaha, Narmada Valley Development, Horticulture and Food Processing. Inder Singh Parmar, General Administration, School Education. Ram Khelavan Patel, Panchayat and Rural Development. Ram Kishore Kavre, Water Resources. Brijendra Singh Yadav, Public Health Engineering. Suresh Dhakar, Public Works Department. OPS Bhadoria, Urban Development and Housing. Judiciary, Article 214, High Courts for the States. 215, High Courts to be Courts of Record. 216, Constitution of High Courts. 217, Appointment and Condition of Office of a Judge. 218, Application of certain provisions relating to Supreme Court to High Court. 219, Oath or Affirmation by Judges of High Court. 220, Restrictions on Practice after being a permanent judge. 221, Salaries of Judges. 222, Transfer of Judge from one High Court to another. 223, Appointment of Acting Chief Justice. 224, Appointment of Additional and Acting Judges. 225, Appointment of retired judges at the sittings of the High Court. List of CJIs of Madhya Pradesh. CJIs of Madhya Pradesh. M. Hadiatullah, GP Bhutt, Justice P.V. Dixit, Justice Pishambar Dayal, Justice P.K. Tare, Justice Shiv Dayal Sharma, Justice A.P. Sen, Justice Shiv Dayal Srivastav, Justice A.P. Sen, Justice G.P. Singh, Justice G.L. Oza, Justice J.S. Verma, Justice N.D. Ojha, Justice G.G. Sohani, Justice S.K. Jha, Justice U.L. Bhatt, Justice A.K. Mathur, Justice Bhavani Singh, Justice Kumar Rajratnam, Justice R.V. Ravindran, Justice A.K. Patnaik, Justice S. Rafat Alam, Justice S.A. Bobde, Justice A.M. Khanvilkar, Justice Hemant Gupta, Justice Sanjay Kumar Seth, Justice Ajay Kumar Mittal, Justice Mohammad Rafiq, Justice Ravi Vijay Kumar Malimat.